2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Derek and the Dominoes, Bell Bottom Blues. Yup. Alright, we're in standard tuning. Let's go. We got C major, song is in C major. 1, 2, 3, and then we have an E7, but we're not gonna play the E. We're just gonna pick it from the A string. So pick 5, 4, 3, 2 on the C, and then same on the E7. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then A minor. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, A minor, and then G major. Then we can pick 6, 4, 3, 2. And then we got F. You can play F like this. I like to play F like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th in the bass. Pick that. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then G. And then we got interesting thing happening. We got a C sus. And land on G. C sus. Add pinky on the 3rd fret, D string. Over the C, and then lift it up, and then G major. The verses. Before the pre-chorus, we're not gonna go to the C sus. We're gonna go from G, so F, G, and then we're gonna hit A major, and then A flat over A. So you gotta grab 4th fret on the E string, mute the A string, and play D, G, B. A flat over A, and then F minor, F sharp minor, sorry. Bar 2nd fret, 4, 4. D major, E major. Back to A. Here's something interesting happening. A major 7 to A7. So that's A major, and then A major 7 is 2, 1, 2. So A7. That's open G string. So. Again, D, E, and end with C sus, C, G, Bell Bottom Blues. Back to beginning. see that I'm mostly picking the verses, right? A little strumming sometimes. One more time. After the G, go to A. A flat over A. F sharp minor. D, E, F, cool. That's a great jam on the acoustic. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Have fun with this song. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Have a great day.